Let's replace the interior light in the Dacia Spring. So this is what it looks like now. It's really easy to change. Just use a pry tool here. And slide it this way. This is the light. Get your new LED. This is it. I'll put a link in the description. Remove the old one. It's just a press fit. Put the new one in. So I had to bend these plates a little bit so it holds it in more tightly. This is what it looks like now. Way brighter. So let's install it back. This is what you have to press in. Just slide it that way and then up. And that's it. It's way brighter. Okay, well, hope this helps. Bye.